The United Nations (UN) is an organization that helps maintain peace in the world. The name United Nations was first used by Franklin D. Roosevelt, a former president of the United States of America. Formation of the UN. The First World War 1914 to 1918 and the Second World War 1939 to 1945 caused a lot of destruction. Millions of men, women and children lost their lives and many more people were left homeless. The economies of many countries were ruined since a huge amount of money was spent in these wars. All this caused suffering to millions of people all over the world. After the First World War, the warring countries realized that war was not the solution to any dispute. Instead, a peaceful solution should be sought. The League of Nations was thus formed for countries to settle their disputes peacefully, but it could not prevent the Second World War. After the Second World War, another organization was formed. This was the United Nations Organization UNO. The UN Charter was signed by 50 member countries. India was one of them on 24th October 1945 in San Francisco, USA. This day is observed as a United Nations Day every year. Today, 193 countries are the members of the organization. Objectives of the UN. The main objectives of the UN are to promote world peace, friendly relations among nations, cooperation in solving economic, social, and humanitarian problems on the international level, and respect for human rights and freedom. The UN neither makes laws nor imposes tax. Organs of the UN. The work of the UN is carried out by six main organs: General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, Secretariat, International Court of Justice. Agencies of the UN. There are many agencies of the UN which work on common world problems. Most of them work through the Economic and Social Council. Some of the agencies: the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization (UNESCO) contributes to peace and security by encouraging international cooperation in fields of education, science and culture. The United Nations Children's Fund (UNICEF) was earlier called United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. It works for children and their rights. The World Health Organization (WHO) looks after public health on an international level. Its main task is to promote the general health of the people of the world. The Food and Agricultural Organization (FAO) is an agency that works towards removing hunger from the world. Its Latin motto, Fiat Panis, when translated into English, means "Let there be bread." The International Labour Organization (ILO) provides opportunities to women and men in obtaining work. Achievements of the UN. The UN has been very successful in maintaining peace in the world. It has been able to solve many international disputes. It has prevented conflicts from turning into major wars. It is also involved in peacekeeping operations. It makes efforts to prevent the misuse of destructive weapons. The world is a better place to live in largely due to the efforts of the UN. India and the UN. India is one of the founder members of the UN. India has full faith in the activities and programs of the UN and is very actively involved in all its activities. India has given full support to the UN's peacekeeping efforts. Indian peacekeeping forces have been sent to different parts of the world to restore peace. India has participated in the relief operations of the UN agencies. India has always supported the use of atomic power for peaceful purposes. Thank you.